So this indexing plate that comes with your bridge slotting jig is a CNC duplicate of the Bosch Colt router base. So the indexing pin basically takes all of the guesswork out long before you flip the switch on the router. I know exactly where the cut starts, where it ends, and its trajectory. No clamps. Everything is finger tightened. And like all the accessories, the bridge slotting jig, the fretting jig, the disc assembly for your drill press, the XLT, and the GPS workstations, all of these tools are engineered for you to flip the purchase price in 1 or 2 jobs at the most. I'm just going to drop off this fretting kit. This will be going to Medford, New York for Alex. So this is just a piece of oak. On this end we have a pivot screw that protrudes just ever so slightly beyond the surface of the underside. I have press fit that pencil into place. Got my tongue depressor there. So lay that on the bench like so, and then just scribe our So I'm making the undercut at the top of the dovetail in between the truss rod and the underside of the fingerboard. And this allows me to make that cut very gently. Allowed to kind of flip the neck up like that. I do that constantly when I'm working on dovetails. This fastener here, I've turned it so that it actually protrudes beyond the surface of the floor of the female rail. Here's my leather padded tongue depressors that I can wrap sandpaper around and gently sand whatever needs to be gently sanded. I've gotten into the habit now, you'll see when I'm doing these compensated nuts, when I put my little brass shim stock protector ahead of the nut, I reach under the strings and flatten out the masking tape. I've got a bunch of different radiuses for different radius fingerboards.